How to order from Alibaba. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Alibaba app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the product you want to buy. And then press on Start Order at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Add Order, simply select which color and the quantity you want. After you've done that, press on Start Order at the bottom. And now, click on Add Address and add your address. Also, payment methods are only these, which is add a new card, PayPal, Google Pay, and other payment methods. If you preferred method later, then press on Add Address again at the bottom, add your address, and all your number, information, and your order will be placed. This is our order from Alibaba. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.